Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. Welcome to soup season. It is winter and it is time for soups. Now, I am a soup lover and I know that I have some fellow soup lovers out there. So today's recipe is chicken tortilla soup. Now, what is fun about this recipe, it is quick and you can put it into your Instant Pot or your pressure cooker frozen. So you can put frozen chicken in, frozen other ingredients, and then in 7 minutes, well, 7 minutes pressure time, in 7 minutes, you will have perfect, awesome, amazing soup. Are you ready for this? It is one of my favorites. It's so much fun. It's so easy. Let's get started. All right, this video is gonna be a short one because the pressure of the pot is actually gonna take more time than this video will to throw this together because everything goes into the Instant Pot and then we set it and we eat it. I'll probably actually take more time eating it and describing it for you than I will throwing it together because that's how I roll, sorry. All right, so the first thing into our Instant Pot is going to be our chicken broth. Now, if you wanted to make this a beef tortilla soup, you could totally use beef broth. You could also make it a pork soup. You could use a pork or ham broth too. We're gonna make it chicken because this is the one we like. All right, next we are gonna add in 2 to 3 chopped bite-sized potatoes. And by bite-size, I do mean bite-size, not big hunks. They all need to be able to cook at the same time that our chicken cooks for. So you need to make sure that they're bite-sized. And I cut them up and they were sitting in water ready for us, but you just have to cut them up real quick. Peeled, washed, cut. 1 whole diced onion, 1 whole can of corn, a cup and then some of bell peppers. Now I say a cup and then some because I just eyeball it. Usually I put in about a bell pepper or so, but I'm using the frozen kind. So it's about 7 ounces of bell pepper that is already frozen and chopped up. So give or take, it's about a cup-ish. It's just some. 1 can of red kidney beans, 1 can of rotel, including the liquid. All right, now let's go ahead and add our seasonings. I know, oh wait, let's add our garlic first. 2 cloves of garlic. Now we will add our seasoning. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Now let's go ahead and give that a mix. And now we are gonna add in our frozen chicken. And I kept my chicken in the freezer until the last minute so I could show you it's truly frozen. So I'm just going to stick it right in, just like that. All right. We are gonna seal our lid. We're gonna make sure it's on sealing. Oh, I wanted to show you this really exciting thing. I totally forgot about it. I totally forgot that I got this brand new, look at this. It is a dragon. So those of you that know me in real life know why this is really fun. But this apparently is supposed to help so that when you vent your pot, if you're venting over your cupboards, the steam does not go up your cupboard. So I thought I would try it out. I did already try it out on another recipe, but I thought I would try it out for you guys here because I have one to give away. So a random commenter on this post that wants to try it and would appreciate having a black dragon on their Instant Pot or their pressure cooker will get this, but you have to be willing to share your address with me. Look at how cute that is. Look at that cute little dragon. So how it works is it's sealed this way, and then when we unseal it, his face turns and let's look this way so you can see, and the steam will then come out this way instead of up at the top. I saw this and I was like, I've got to have one. I've got to have one. So I ordered one, ordered a 2-pack so I can give one away. So if you comment on this video, it might be yours. All right, so we're gonna set it to sealing with our dragon, and we are gonna put it on manual to 7 minutes, and we're gonna leave it alone. As soon as the 7 minutes is over, we're gonna let it natural pressure release for 7 minutes. So we're gonna let it count up for 7 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and release what remains of the pressure. There might not be much pressure for our dragon to like spout off. Yeah, once the pressure comes down, we release it. Our soup will be done. We'll sprinkle it with cheese, sour cream, tortilla chips. Dinner's done. All right, we'll be back here whenever the pot is all done and the pressure is down and we're ready to go. All right, see you back here. All right, we are back and let's check out our beautiful dragon. Let's see if he left off any steam. You see that? Is that cool or what? So all you have to do, comment below to receive your very own black dragon. Because it's a dragon. Like, it's cute. And it will save your cupboards. Every time I released my pressure sitting underneath my cupboards, I was always worried about the finish of my cupboards. So now I don't have to, because now it's not spraying straight up into my cupboards. So there is a little ring in the inside. So I think I have to adjust it to, you know, to get it exactly right. But there is definitely steam coming out of his mouth. I'm sure you can see it in the close video. Do you see that? It's a cool product, and it was relatively cheap. So whoever wins this, it's not like I spent $1 million. They were like $3, but it's my gift to someone, some random winner. My gift to you. All right, once your dragon has let off all of its steam, we can open the pot. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to take out our chicken, and we're just gonna give it a chop. All right. Chicken is cut up. We're gonna get it back into the pot. All right, and now we will get our tortilla soup. So here we have our beautiful, probably the dragon's in the way. Excuse me, dragon. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Lots of great color. Here, let me strain some of this broth off. Oh! Do you see that? Looks fantastic. So next we are going to sprinkle with cheese, and then we are going to dollop with sour cream. And then if you want hot sauce, put your hot sauce on it, but you know, I'm a little bit of a wimp, so no hot sauce for me. And then here comes the best part. You know, all of those little bits of chips that are left in the bottom of the bag that nobody wants to eat, you can use those in this recipe because you want them crushed up anyway. So you're just gonna take some chips and you are gonna crush them into your soup. And there we have it, tortilla soup. And it tastes amazing. And I know this because we make this a lot during the winter season. Perfect blend of spicy because the green chilies and tomatoes that are in it, the rotel mix, is really spicy for me. So there's already a good bit of heat for me, so I really like it. It's perfect. Warms you on the inside, warms you on the outside. It is a great soup. And in 7 minutes in the Instant Pot, well, 14 if you let the natural pressure release and then let the dragon do the rest, it's a good soup. It's almost to get it together and go. but we can't really count it as a get it together and go because chopping the onions and the potatoes and whatever else is not quite under the 20-minute mark, but it's dang close. And it is so good. You should try it out. So leave me a comment below if you'd like to win a dragon. Also, leave me a comment about your favorite soup because maybe I'll try it. All right, you guys, well, if you enjoyed that video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I do videos several times a week, and I'm always looking for the next adventure, so if you have one for me, leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. All right.